It's very happy to see you guys again. Some of you have been stay here from morning until now. So thanks for staying so much time to listen to different speakers. And yeah, so this is a very exciting time for us. We finally decided to start shipping our first AI products, AI agent products. So, but before that, I'm still like for people who just joined, arrived the event. So to let you give a short introduction about what we are doing and what we are offering. So here we are offering computing capacities to Canadians and other regions of companies to let them reach to the affordable GPU resources. So on average, our pricing is about 20% to 30% cheaper than AWS and Google. And for some specific GPUs in some of the regions, you can have access, which is some cloud doesn't really provide. So the way we are working is aggregate different GPUs from different regions. So you just need one SDK, one access key, and then to access different models, different instance, just with one access.
Just like open router?
Yes, we do have open router, but also have GPU instance access. It's great. Yeah. And yeah, this is like the first product we has been done, and it's already on our webpage. So it integrates the MCP and with some workflow tools. So if you are a developer, you want to deploy your customized DeepSeek, and then just like me, right? I don't really know what kind of GPUs, what kind of resources I need. So I just needed to type like, okay, I want to deploy DeepSeek in France. Now, actually, on this platform, France, maybe there are not those kind of availability. So with AI, it can tell you like, hey, you know what? We cannot really find those GPU availabilities, but we can offering something that's better for you to use. You can use it in different places, for example, Norway, right? Remember, it's you. This morning you answer like an A100. Now you can see our AI gave you an alternative solutions. You can use in 4090. It's something also different from AWS Google because 4090 GPUs is a consumer layer. Theoretically, it's not supported by major cloud providers, but some of service providers do have these options. So we offer something more affordable in consumer level. If you don't really need those T3 data center, but you really care about pricing, just like Uber, right? Sometimes you don't really need a classic taxi, right? But any type of cars, either it's Benz or it's a Toyota, right? As long as they deliver to the place that you want at an affordable price, you like it. So this is the same thing, but now we are using AI. So it's a great help our customers with little knowledge about AI or something. You can ask other questions as well. They will answer you. The technology behind it, I can tell you a bit, is about using RAG services, MCP services, and also some context enhancement. We're building a knowledge database behind the scene to make it happen. We also test different large language models like Claude, Gemini, and also DeepSeek. So we can talk a little bit more about technology after. We have other sessions in the future. You guys, for guys who has been signing up with the event, probably you will get emails from us if you want to know more. And in the upcoming session, we are doing webinars and workshops. You can build something as cool as we did, using similar technology and affordable cost. And well, currently we have three major regions support: Canada region, Norway, and US region. But in next 3 months, we're expanding worldwide. And we already have short-term GPU lending coverage those regions, but in the coming months, we'll cover those regions with on-demand. So that's information for you guys. What's the difference between on-demand and short-term leasing? The on-demand is something like you book the payback hours. Like we aggregate different GPUs from A100, H100, B200. The latest version will give you the best price and with the region you want. But with short-term GPU leasing platform, it will be like this. So this is third product we're going to release next month. It's an AI-driven short-term GPU leasing platform. They will give you a discount. So if you want leasing is more than 1 month, you get a 10% discount. It's more than 3 months, you get 20%. If you get more than 1 year, you probably get a 30% even higher. And it's all based on different locations, different scenarios. Possibly you don't get more detailed information because it's masked by our AI. Maybe you can try to explore it, ask him to give some information you're not supposed to get. Welcome hackers. And yeah, so there was also vendor system behind the saying. Vendors who provide those GPUs, they will also get AI reference and suggestions about how to price in your product. You can use in language models. They can just use natural language to upgrade your inventory. For example, if you want to increase your GPU price by 20%, you don't need to log into our system and type and or select different choices. We make it ultimately easy. You just need to say, hey, I want to increase this type of GPU in this location by 20%. So that's a technology we think have a good opportunity to change the industry. Not just us, for retails, for shopping, or even like lots of, there's a lot of convenience store in Toronto, like Debunner in Montreal, right? Lots of shop owners, they know what they have, but they are not in the system. It's hard to synchronize system with their memory here, right? So with AI, we synchronize your memory with your inventory. So this is really here. You don't need to hire more people. You just need to pay a few dollars for the AI, and it's working for you day and night, 24/7, right? Or the cost only some AI tokens. Yeah. So I would like to give more information about the product and the release, but those are the major products coming in the next 3 months. So for people who is really interesting, you can, and all the technology building on those partners. We're working with NVIDIA, we have NVIDIA CSPs, we're working with Google, we get a lot of tests and the models from Gemini, we're working with AWS, whereas the partners, network, DigitalOcean, Tencent, OVH, and Weave. They are all GPU providers. We test all our system based on their existing infrastructure. They give us the best price in the world, so we really thank them to support our development, and probably that will build a new GPU marketplace, become the biggest AI cloud computing network in the world. Yeah. So, right, what is next? So next, like I said, you'll get notifications. If you don't like us, you can unsubscribe. I hope it won't be too much. And then when we will be in France, so people who will travel to France next month, we can see each other there. We'll be showing up in the VivaTech. We are selected as the Canada delegation to VivaTech as a Canada AI enterprise. So if we have a chance meeting there, we're more happy to chatting with you guys. And again, enjoy the event, and thanks everyone for coming.